Hey there, savvy fashionistas! Ready to slay the style game without breaking the bank? Let's dive into the art of building a fabulous wardrobe on a budget. 1. Define your style. Before you hit the stores, know what you love. Whether it's classic, boho, or trendy, understanding your style will guide your shopping decisions. 2. Start with staples. Invest in timeless pieces like a crisp white shirt, well-fitted jeans, and a little black dress. These essentials form the foundation of your wardrobe and can be mixed and matched endlessly. 3. Thrift. Like a pro, thrift stores are treasure troves of affordable fashion finds. Keep an open mind and hunt for hidden gems. You'll be amazed at the designer steals you can score for a fraction of the price. 4. Embrace versatility. Look for pieces that can transition seamlessly from day to night and from season to season. A versatile blazer or a statement scarf can elevate any outfit and maximize your wardrobe's potential. 5. DIY and upcycle. Get creative and breathe new life into old garments with simple DIY projects. From distressing denim to adding embellishments, there are endless ways to customize your wardrobe without splurging. Congratulations! You're now armed with the knowledge to build a stylish wardrobe that's as budget-friendly as it is fabulous. Remember, fashion is all about self-expression. So rock your unique style with confidence. Happy styling!